No more remini topaz. Most easy and quick way to enhance photo on ChatGPT. New prompt, free of cost as for now. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. Hope you're doing great and fantastic as always. New to channel, subscribe for more. Select your photo and type the prompt. You can copy mine. This is very short and to the point. Submit the prompt. This will take some time for the image processing or creating. Click on image once processing done. You can see the details looks much better and overall it's automatically did the color grading looks good. Click on the save button to download. This is the most easy and quick way and you don't need to watch ads on the Remini or need any premium subscription for the photo enhancement. But the con is this is not the true actual 4K resolution. I checked multiple times, no matter Gemini, ChatGPT or the AI app which creates the images, you need the proper photo enhancer. A lot of available in the market and you can check out my photo enhancer playlist as well. 90 plus videos in my video enhancer playlist. Feel free to let me know what you think about it. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon with the new video. Bye bye.